The product I will show you today is the Multiflex geared head by Photoclam. As you know, precision is the essence of all mechanical devices. The former tripods and camera heads were screwed on so they wore off and loosened easily. That explains why you can find so many geared heads sold in the market today. The product I'm showing is the Multiflex, full gear type which can be adjusted accurately even to decimal units. Alright, let's learn about its simple adjusting method. First, if you look at the Multiflex, you'll see that it has several knobs. The most convenient factor is that it has a large size knob that can be installed very easily. So it makes it all the more convenient to accurately adjust the angle. Okay, this knob adjusts the head panning. Also, the two knobs you see here are the horizontal and vertical tilt adjustment knobs. Each of them can be tilted to 30 degrees. You can place the silver wheel on top and adjust the friction. When you need to tilt it more than 30 degrees, turn this knob and fold the manual base. Adjusting the tilting device to 60 degrees. When you need to tilt it more than 60 degrees, turn this knob. You can tilt it up to 90 degrees. Next, you will see there is a horizontal axis and a vertical axis leveler hanging. You can level it precisely using the horizontal and vertical tilt knob. Here's the panning knob. Okay, let's release the knob and start panning. Here you can find these markings that will help you shoot the perfect panorama photo. Finally, here's the quick shoe knob. If you turn and lock it, the plate is fixed. Here's the safety pin. Even if the quick shoe knob is loose, the plate will not fall off but will grab onto it. The Multiflex geared head is a high precision device with smooth operation that is suitable for large size cameras with substantial weight and volume, as well as mid-size cameras and DSLR cameras.